Alrighty guys, we're here at the Red Roof Inn here in Georgetown, Indiana. And check out what we have here. Yes. We have a United States elevator. Look at this. Wow. Here we go, listen to the motor. I am the refilming right now. Jared, I bet you'll be filming right now. This is awesome. Just push 3 again. Let's go up to 3 again. Very cool. Really nice. Look at this. This is one of the rare US models where there's no phone box. There's a phone right here. Interesting. A dog bed. You can rent a dog bed. So here we go. Oh yes. Look at that. Beautiful. It's like a very 90s cab. Look at this. That US Brails. Okay. This is just me going crazy. For another soft touch here in Southern Indiana. This makes it what, 4 now? 3, 4.
4 what?
US soft touch.
You get a pet bed.
We don't have a lot of those in Indiana. Look at that. That is really cool. There goes the elevator. And those are the steps.
You believe it?
Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.